The MSA 80 chainsaw is the latest addition to the AK system of battery-powered tools from STIHL. Sitting above our MSA 60 and MSA 70, this powerful new tool is the first AK system chainsaw with a 14-inch guide bar. It's ideal for use at home for tasks such as cutting firewood, pruning branches, woodworking and felling small trees with trunks of up to 25 centimetres in diameter. Fitted with a powerful brushless motor, the power output of the MSA 80 is comparable to the MS162 petrol-powered chainsaw. It's also 30% more powerful than the MSA 70 chainsaw, whilst only being 200 grams heavier, so it has the best power-to-weight ratio in the AK system. The MSA 80 must be used with the AK30S battery to get full power. The MSA 80 is simple and comfortable to use. Its trigger system allows for maximum control over the chain speed, which comes in handy when working around shrubs or on woodworking projects. It has a transparent chain oil tank for better visibility, meaning you can always keep on top of refilling. And the quick chain tensioner allows the chain to be tensioned easily without the need for additional tools. And it's quicker to remove the sprocket cover too, which makes it easy to clean out and change the saw chain. On a full charge, the MSA 80 has a working time of up to 35 minutes with the recommended AK30S battery. The battery has a charge level indicator, so you can always see how much charge you have left. The MSA 80 has a battery transport position, which means the chainsaw can be moved around without the battery falling out or the tool being live. Then just click it in once more and the tool is live. This battery can be used in all tools in the AK system range, such as grass trimmers, hedge trimmers, blowers, mowers and more. Before using a chainsaw, we always recommend you read the manual and make sure you use the correct personal protective equipment. With the MSA 80, you should be wearing cut protective trousers or chaps, chainsaw boots or wellies, eye protection and gloves. If pruning branches above head height, it's recommended you wear a helmet for protection as well. To find out more about the MSA 80 chainsaw, please visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.